Hey guys, it's Elena. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to place patches on to clothing or whatever you want to put your patches onto. Today I'm showing you how to do it on a denim jacket, and the patches that I'm using have a shiny adhesive on the back that you iron on, but these are thick patches and we still want to sew them on. So I'm going to walk you through how to do that with your machine. So here is the patch that I'm using. As you can see, it has that shiny backing onto it, which is adhesive, which is awesome. We love the adhesive because it helps keep everything secure. But even though we have the adhesive, we are going to pin on our patches, and then we're going to iron on our patches with that adhesive, just so that again it's not moving around when we're stitching it. So I placed a scrap thin piece of fabric over the patch just to make sure that it's protected from my iron in case my iron does something funky and damages the patch. So I'm ironing it from the front and the back, and then I'm just going to head over to my sewing machine and go very, very slowly sew down the perimeter of the patch. So I am using black thread, which matches the very edge color of the patch. And I'm just going, as you can see, this is real time. I'm going so slow. So this is definitely labor of love. But I do prefer putting patches on with my machine. It's just easier on my hands, but it takes some time. I'm going through and have all my patches placed where I want it, and then again just really taking my time and sewing around the perimeter of the patch and getting as many of the little turns as I can. And this is a really fantastic way to put on patches. It's really not too bad, so if you're attempting to do this, you got it. I believe in you. If I can do it, you can do it. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.